Hi everyone, welcome here at my channel, and today guys I am going to show you how to make at home one of the most I think popular tea in Starbucks. It's honey citrus mint tea, and so I just want to tell you a story about it. So when I used to work for hospice, during my training, so there was a nice nurse that kind of introduced me to this tea because we go out so early, and I usually bring my own drink or homemade. But anyway, so when she used to give me a training or during my first round of visits, she introduced me to this drink, and it was so refreshing. It was, oh my goodness, like it became one of my favorite. But Starbucks is expensive. Well, kind of expensive if you are really trying to save or in a budget, right? But it's really worth it. I mean, like, their drinks or coffee are really, I think it's worth the price. But if you can make it at home, why not, right? So anyway, I'm trying to, then when I read the label of the tea, I just found out that it's made of Tivana. She said that, Joanna, you can recreate this at home, like that, I guess. So anyway, so today I got the chance to do it, and I just want to share it with you. So you know and this tea really, like, if you're not feeling well, well, it helps me. So but the good thing about this tea is just it's so refreshing, and with the lemon, with the combination of all teas. So okay guys, let's do it. Okay guys, so our ingredients are, so this is the tea that I'm talking about. It's Tivana. Okay, so it is Jade Citrus Mint Tea. Okay, Jade Citrus Mint. So a combination of this one and this one. So this one is a Peach Tranquility. Okay, so you combine this two teas. Okay, and then you will have a honey. You will have honey, and you will have lemon and water. Okay. So these are our ingredients to create that. Okay, so imagine guys, so how many times you can make, instead of just getting it for I mean, it's convenient, but why not make it at home, right, if you can. Okay, so to make that honey citrus mint tea, this is what we need. Alright guys, let's start. Okay guys, so I have this, and then I have some water, so I'm gonna boil some water, and then I'm going to cut my lemons. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut my lemons into rings. You can use, if you want it strong, you can make two lemons, or you can prepare two lemons. And I'm just gonna use one. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. And then once the water is boiling, then you just add the lemons, and then we're gonna let it we're gonna make a lemon water. Okay, and then while waiting for that, I am going to glaze. So this one's really smells so good. It's so refreshing, and it's citrusy. Yeah, well, it's citrus, so sorry guys. Okay, so that one, so I'm just gonna like dye it here. Well, it's not gonna reach, so anyway, I'm just gonna, and then another one, sorry, for now, like that. And then I have the Peach Tranquility. This one's definitely like, it smells so good. It's with chamomile and notes of citrus. And the good thing about this, it's caffeine free. So this one's caffeine free. Let me see the other one. So the caffeine level of this, well, it says here, I'm not sure, but it's like highlighted 2 diamonds, so there's some caffeine in here. Okay, let me see if they mention it. Okay, so there is 16 to 25 milligrams of this one. Okay, so definitely it has some okay, so I just, you know, like put it here. Okay, and you know, so if you just buy this one, I bought this at Walmart for a while, and I make it sometimes in the morning. I usually try to avoid coffee now. Well, not the way that I used to drink before. So I tried to kind of just do replacement. But I like tea as well. Okay, so this one. And then, so we're just gonna wait for the water to boil. Then we're gonna add our lemons. Okay guys, so our water is boiling. We'll add our lemons. And then we just like allow it to boil for 3 more minutes. Okay guys, so while waiting for that, I just want to have a little conversation. So I hope that everyone's doing well, and you know guys, nowadays, like, I know it's really a challenge to be healthy. Like seriously, it is a challenge for me. Like you know, but I try to incorporate and prepare myself for to be more healthy, because you know, you need more energy when you work, or well, when you start working 2 jobs again. So I hope, and I totally can relate those people out there who are working 2 jobs or even 1 job but really tough. So we just have to have energy, and if we can get it from a good energy source, you know, from the food that we eat, that would be great. But honestly, like when I used to work 2 jobs and just unable to prepare food at home, that was just tough. And I know I've been putting a lot of weight during those months, so I'm trying to bring it down, but it's tough. But anyway, never give up and never quit. And every time we do something good for ourselves, it's, you know, it's beneficial, and it gives us more clarity. I don't know, but for me, when I eat healthy, I have kind of like mental clarity, or energy level wise is really good. So okay guys, so it's been 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna do the tea now. Okay, so look at those beautiful lemons and the bubbles. Okay, alright, that's it. Okay, so I have here my mug. So all I have to do is just to add water. Oops. Okay, so just want to show you guys. Okay, and then I will let it steep for 2 minutes or so. Alright. So, man, it's so good. Okay, so that one. And then, okay, so honey, if you want, you know, to add this one. Okay, but this is also, it adds, you know, the whole package. So it's really good. But if you want, you can add whatever's you know, choice or your preference. But honey, I think it's a good combination for all of this. All right. Okay, sorry about that. So I would like to make this for my mom, but she can't tolerate too much acid. She can tolerate citrus. So I'm just gonna add this one. Okay guys, so there you go. Alright, I hope you like my sharing today. So have a good day guys and enjoy your tea.